What's good, guys? Welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you how to get waves. So for the purpose of this video, I try to mess up my waves so y'all see how to achieve this. Let's get right into the video.
Alright, so you need your brush, your comb, and you need your hair cream. I use Soulmate, so and your shampoo, and you need your mirror too. So you start by wetting your hair, add your shampoo. Like this is going to be just for the first process. So you notice your hair don't lather up like really well in the first process, so you rinse your hair out and add shampoo again for the second time. You see in the second time you're adding the shampoo, you see or you notice that your hair lather up than the first time you added shampoo here. So it's because of the dirt in your hair. So now you get your comb and use it to entangle your hair in the way that you want your hair to lay down, in the 360 way. You feel me?
Go, baby, go. Now don't you dare. Don't upset the rhythm. Don't upset the rhythm, no. Don't upset the rhythm. Don't upset the rhythm, don't you dare. I told you, don't upset the rhythm. Don't upset the rhythm, no. Don't upset the rhythm. Don't upset the rhythm, don't you?
Now the crown is like a delicate area, so you have to because the way you brush, it's going to be from the crown downward, from the crown downward, in that 360 manner. You feel me? Here I'm adding more shampoo because I'm preparing to brush my hair. So this is like where the real work starts. You have to brush. I think I brushed my hair for like an hour or so. I mean, you have to brush really well, say like 30 to 45 minutes actually, but I brushed my hair for long. And don't forget, it should be in that 360 manner because I'm trying to get a 360 waves. Here again, I'm focusing on my crown, trying to bring out the beauty in it. It's like the center of excellence. You feel me? I mean, 360 waves without the crown is just there. Like, I'm emphasizing on this because you have to focus on the crown. And don't forget, every stroke of your brush counts. Like, as you keep brushing, your hair is going to keep laying down.
Don't upset the rhythm, don't you dare. Don't upset the rhythm.
Haha, don't mind me. So after you're done with all the brushing and all, you're going to get your hair cream and apply to your hair.
Don't upset the rhythm, don't you dare. Don't upset the rhythm.
After applying your hair cream, you apply your shampoo like so, and then you get your do-rag. If you're trying to learn how to tie your do-rag, you can check my previous video, plus I'm going to drop the link in the description below. I'm double ragging because my hair is too full and I really need to compress my hair. You feel me? After tying my do-rag, I rinsed my hair through the do-rag. Like, you have to rinse your hair with your do-rag on. So
I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.